Tired of plain old boring rice? Jazz it up with a little bit of lime and cilantro. Here's how you do it. Take some cooked rice, add the juice of 1 lime. I'm gonna squeeze all this out and squeeze all this out into the rice. And I forgot to get fresh cilantro at the store, so I'm gonna use dry cilantro. Couple of shakes of dry cilantro. Fresh is best, but when you don't have fresh, having a little bit of dry on hand always works. And mix it up just like this. And I'm gonna throw in a dash or so of salt, some sea salt, which is best. And voila, you have jazzed up rice. I'm going to serve this in some of my that's good chicken wraps with fake chicken. I use a few of these tenders from Gardein, the Chipotle Lime Crispy Fingers, some spelt tortillas warmed up, a little bit of corn, the rice, and avocado, and it makes a delicious wrap. Find that recipe on my website, carolinsbloomingcreations.com, and it's on the page Carolyn's Daily Dishes.